nice. Telling you.
There was a rainbow this morning.
I didn't see it. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Prince Mason. Today I have dlsr here. He's my friend and he's also a fantastic photographer. I'll put his page in the description below, definitely check him out. Today we're going to be showing you how to take awesome pictures using your smartphone. Now there are a few things you need. A pretty good smartphone, which will probably be like the Google Pixel 2 XL, the Samsung Galaxy S9, the S8, what else? The iPhones, any phone, 8, yes, any phone that can actually do the awesome depth of field thing in them. It will help you get the kind of portraits that we're trying to show you how to get today. Pretty easy, pretty simple. We're also going to be showing you guys a quick and easy light setup using, so let me have that, using this. So this is what we're going to be using, the diffuser inside the reflector. These things are pretty cheap to get, and that's about it. So we're going to call our model out here, FXR. She's around and she's going to be, you know, model for our mobile challenge. Yes, big shout out to E.T.C for coming through to help us record this quick video. And yeah, let's get straight into showing you guys how to take awesome pictures using your smartphone.
Hey everybody.
Okay, so guys, I have my smartphone here right now, which is the Google Pixel 2 XL. This is my go-to phone. It has a fantastic camera and I love the portrait mode. And like I said, it would be good to have a phone that can do the whole portrait mode thingy and give you like this really nice depth of field. So this is what I'll be using to shoot today. If you guys look here, we have FXR. So what I'm going to tell her to do right now is just step into the sun. And this is how it looks. So if you're going to shoot your subject like this, you can see she's like overexposed, you know, she has high shadows under her eyes and all those things, and that's not pretty good when you're taking pictures. Maybe for some certain looks it'll work, but for her right now it's not good. So we're going to have our light master Alex put a diffuser over her face and see how it looks. The light is extremely soft right now, so I'm just going to pick my phone and I'm actually going to shoot in auto. But what first thing I'll do is I'm going to change it to portrait mode and I'll just shoot auto. Basically I'm going to expose for her face, or I'm going to meet her for her face with my phone, then take a picture. So let's do that and I'll show you guys the after of the images. Now I'm not going to edit these pictures, I'll just show you how it looks. I edit with Snapseed, so you guys definitely download it, it's free. And yeah, look, let's get into this. Now before we start shooting, I want to show you guys a few things that will make this work. Like I said, this is very important, having a diffuser to diffuse the light that's coming to your subject. Very important. Now you don't need sunlight, you can also do it in the studio and just use your ring light. So let's do this. Step into the sun.
So should I get now?
Okay, now let's take the picture without. So I'm just going to expose to your face and take a picture. I just took a few pictures without like the diffuser. So just going to take a few pictures. Like move it away a bit. Okay. Get closer, get closer. Okay. I don't know if I can show you guys a few of the images from here right now. So here are a few images that were shot. This is what this looks like and this is what this looks like. But anyways, I'll go on my PC right now and I'll show you guys. This is just meant to be like a quick video showing you how you can take awesome portraits using your smartphone. Now the next video we're going to do is compare the Google Pixel 2 XL to the iPhone 10 in portrait mode. Then we'll let you know which one can take awesome portraits or better portraits, because they can both take great portraits. So I hope the audio is not too bad. E.T.C is our audio guy and our video guy today. If the audio is terrible, go on his page, blame him and dislike all these videos. I'm just joking, like all these videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So let's just see what we've done today. Have a great day. Peace.
FXR here. Just kidding. I'm wearing the FXR mask. I'm really persuasive.
We're going to be showing the Google Pixel 2 XL. And yeah, that's about it. So let's get into this video. Big shout out to my man Elisoft. He's the person that is recording the video for me. You guys check out his channel. Don't do that when we're recording.
Of course I would do that now. Of course I would do that.
And big shout out to FXR too. She's around, so she's going to be our model today. If you guys want to see more of her in the YouTube videos, comment below, let me know. Also give this video a thumbs up, and if you don't give this video a thumbs up, then we're going to bar from this channel. Yeah.